Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel, Naturalista. Now today I'm going to be showing you one of my holy grails that I make for my hair, my Aloe Vera Moisturizer. You're going to need a whole aloe vera leaf, avocado oil, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and distilled water. Here I'm just showing you the whole aloe vera leaf that I had already chopped up. You're going to take your time and cut this up, because if you don't know what you're doing, the sliminess from this aloe vera leaf, the gel will just have you cut yourself all up. So take your time, slow and steady wins the race, okay? Because you need all of your fingers. Now the benefits of aloe vera: it leaves your hair shiny, it's rich in vitamin C and E, it aids in giving your hair elasticity and prevents breakage, which all of this promotes hair growth. I don't know about you, but I need my inches, honey. I need my inches. Now, as you see, cutting it up. You're going to cut the whole thing up. You don't want to leave anything to chance. Take your time. You're going to keep hearing me say, take your time, take your time, and take your time. Cut the little, you don't want any of the green part of the leaf on there, because that's not going to blend up well in your blender. Scrape the back of that leaf off, get everything, honey. Don't want to waste your money. It's $2, but I don't know about you, but $2 adds up. Okay? Now scrape it, turn your knife over, and scrape that good old jelly off of there, and put it in your blender. Now that you have everything cut up, you can go ahead and put it in a blender and add your oils. Mind you, I do not measure at all, but I would say, if I had to give you a recipe, about 2 to 4 tablespoons of the olive oil, the same with the avocado oil, but when it comes to the vitamin E oil, I would only say a couple of teaspoons, because that little container costs a lot. Now you're going to add your water. In the video, I only added enough water to cover the aloe vera, but for me doing this over and over again, I've come to realize for a whole aloe vera leaf, I really need to be filling it up with about 3/4 of water, because if not, I'm going to turn into having aloe vera gel instead of aloe vera moisturizer. Here you see me straining it with the old wave cap, because you don't want any of the big pieces in your spray bottle, because it won't be able to spray. Also, a rule of thumb, a tip: put some tea tree oil in there and store it in the refrigerator, because if not, honey child, it is going to stink. But as always, thank you for watching my video, and always be you, naturally though.